Hello, Joel Tubman here from Golf Monthly, and I'm on the 18th hole here at the Paris National Golf Club, host on 2018 Ryder Cup, testing out the new Bushnell Pro X2 laser. Now, this is one of Bushnell's more premium laser rangefinders. We'll talk about why in a second, but the first thing to talk about is the recent change in the rules of golf that's meant that golfers can use laser rangefinders with slope adjusted distance capability, providing that function is turned off. They can use those in competitions. So that means that golfers haven't got to choose between a standard laser and a slope adjusted laser. You can get one that offers both, and this Pro X2 certainly does that. The key technology to talk about with the Pro X2 is the slope switch technology. Basically, through the little switch on the side here, you can toggle between standard distances and slope adjusted distances. You can see it's literally just slide it up and down, gives you a little click, and when it reveals the slope addition there on the side, that's when you know that it's going to provide you slope adjusted distances that aren't legal for competition use. So great for practice rounds, or if you're playing a course you're not familiar with, that feature is really going to help you out. Other technologies to talk about here with the Pro X2. The first thing you notice when you pick it up is that it's a little bit heavier than other laser rangefinders Bushnell produce, and that's because it's got a kind of metal casing which makes it 100% waterproof. So you haven't got to worry about if you get caught out in a shower or getting water on the lens or in the viewfinder. You know, this is going to protect it from the rain. Obviously, when you pick it up, it's still quite small, given that there's a lot of features packed in here. You've got the Stable Grip rubber kind of bits on the top and bottom which allow you to get a firm hold, and the fact that it is a little bit heavier, actually I feel gives it a little bit more stability. It's got a fantastic range, one of the longest ranges of Bushnell's laser rangefinders in golf in 2017, 1300 yard range and a 450 yard range for the vibrating jolt technology, which picks out the flag from the background. There's a flag just over there on the 16th hole, the par 3, which I've just zapped at 273 yards away, gave me a vibrating burst to know that I'd picked it out from the bank behind. So that range is excellent, definitely going to come into useful on par 5s. If you're hitting into the green from there, you want to know exactly how far away the pin is. This is going to help you out. The other thing to talk about is the dual display. So depending on the conditions you're playing in, you can toggle the viewfinder depending on how bright the light is. So on a day like this, it's cloudy, it's overcast, it's dull, I can switch by pressing this button here from the black display, which you'd use in the sunshine, to a vivid red display, which is going to give you a better view in dim conditions. The other thing that I like about this is it's got the battery meter on the display as well, so you haven't got to worry about it running out of battery halfway through your round. You can see when it's running low and change the batteries in time for your next round. Now, it comes in at £449, which obviously sounds like a lot of money when it comes to laser rangefinders, but don't forget you are essentially getting two lasers in one with the standard distances and the slope adjusted distances. You're getting a fantastic range here, you're getting every bit of technology that you would need out on the golf course to pick accurate distances quickly. So it really is an investment in your game. I think if you're serious about your game, you want to be zapping the flag rather than just guessing distances or just hitting to the middle of the greens. You know, you want to be very specific with the distances you hit the ball, and having a laser rangefinder, having one of the best laser rangefinders in the Pro X2 is certainly going to help your game. Over 95% of tour players that use a laser rangefinder use a Bushnell product, so they really are the leaders when it comes to laser rangefinder technology in golf. And the Pro X2 is a classic example of the pinnacle of laser rangefinder technology in golf. So if you're in the market for a new laser rangefinder and you want the best, recommend you give the Bushnell Pro X2 a try.